morning students. Today we will read about division. So what is division? Division means equal sharing. Now we will read about activity 1. Rohan's mother bought a packet of 12 chocolates for her 4 children. She gives 1 chocolate to each of the 4 children. Again she gives 1 chocolate more to each of 4 children. She again gives 1 chocolate more to each of the 4 children. That means no chocolates now left. This means that all the 12 chocolates have been divided equally among 4 children. Each child get how many chocolates? 3 chocolates. We can say that 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. We write it as 12 division 4 equal to 3. The symbol division, this is the symbol of division. And that means 12 division 4 equal to 3 is a division fact. Then activity 2. Suppose we have 9 cups. Here 9 cups. And we will divide them equally into 3 groups. That means each group contains how many cups? 3 cups. We can write it as 9 division 3 equal to 3. We can say that 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 9 division 3 equal to 3 is called a division fact. Then number 2, suppose we have a collection of 8 toys. Look here, 8 toys are here and we will distribute them equally among 2 children. 2 children we will distribute equally. Then each child gets 4 toys. That means 8 division 2 equal to 4. Thus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So 8 division 2 equal to 4 is a division fact. And then fill in the placeholder. Now we will count how many balloons. That means you are already given 15 balloons have been divided equally into 3 groups. That means each group contains how many balloons? Each group contains 5 balloons. So the division fact is 15 division 3 equal to 5. That means first total number of balloons, then how many groups, then we can find the how many balloons in each group. So that is 15 division 3 equal to 5. And then again 18 pencils have been divided equally into 6 groups. Each group contains how many pencils? 3 pencils. Then division fact is 18 division 3 equal to 18 division 6 equal to 3. And then here 20 candles have been divided equally into 5 groups. And then each group contains how many candles? 4 candles. So division fact is 20 division 5 equal to 4. And then how many apples? Total number of apples. First total number of apples, that means 21 apples have been divided equally into 3 groups. Then each group contains how many apples? Now each group contains 7 apples. So division fact, the division fact is 21 division 3 equal to 7. And then here 24 mangoes have been divided equally into 4 groups. And then each group contains how many mangoes? 6 mangoes. So division fact is 24 division 4 equal to 6. And look here, there are 28 oranges have been equally divided into 4 groups. And each group contains how many oranges? The 7 oranges. So division fact is 28 division 4 equal to 7. And then look here, write the division fact for each of the following. That means only we will write the division fact. Already here one already done. And then here look how many balls. First count total number of balls. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 9. Total 9 balls are here. And then 9 balls and how many groups are here? That means 3 groups. So 9 division 3 equal to 3. That means each group contains how many balls? 3 balls. Now count how many bottles are here. Juice bottle are here. That is 16 bottles are here and 16 bottles. And how many groups are here? That means 4 groups. So the division fact is 16 division 4 equal to 4. That means in each group, how many juice bottles are here? That means 4 juice bottles. And then count how many locks are here. Locks. How many locks? Count. That is 15 locks are here. And we will divide, or we have here already done how many groups? 5 groups. And each group contains how many locks? That means the division fact is 15 division 5 equal to 3. And again, look here, total number of mangoes. Mangoes, how many mangoes? 30 mangoes are here. And how many groups? 6 groups. So the division fact is 30 division 6 equal to 5. And then look here, how many roses are here? Here count how many roses? That means 32 roses. And 32 roses. And here how many groups? 4 groups. And the division fact is 32 division 4. 32 division 4 equal to 8. That means each group contains 8 roses. And then next, look here, how many chicks are here? Total number of chicks. Here already done. That means 14 chicks are here. And that means make groups as shown and fill in the correct number. First 14 chicks divided by 7. That means 2. And here already done. You will do, that is how many chocolates. These are toffees or chocolates. Count how many chocolates. That means already 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. And then 20 books and 20 division 4 equal to 5. That means each group contains how many books? 5 books. And then candles. Total number of candles is 27. 27 division 9 equal to 3. That means here how many candles? 27 division 9 equal to 3. Answer is 3. And then look, 30 lotus are here. 30 division 6 equal to 5. And then 32 division 8 equal to 4. And next, here now we will read division as inverse of multiplication. Okay. Suppose we have 2 groups of 4 boys in each. That means look here, 4 boys in each group. Okay. That means total number of boys. Total number of boys is 24. 2 multiplied 4 is 8. This means 8 boys have been divided equally into 2 groups. That means in each group 4 boys. So 8 divided by 2 or 8 division 2 equal to 4. Again, divide the 8 boys into 4 groups. If we will divide 8 boys into 4 groups, then how can we write it? 8 division 4 equal to 2. That means the multiplication fact 2 multiplied 4 equal to 8 gives rise to 2 division fact. That means 8 division 2 equal to 4 and 8 division 4 equal to 2. So division is the inverse of multiplication. That means we can write 8 division 2 equal to 4 and 8 division 4 equal to 2. Now then we will read division fact. That means write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication facts. One has been done for you. This is multiplication fact and these are 2 division fact. That means multiplication fact is already given. We will write 2 division facts. That means 3 multiplied 4 equal to 12. 12 division 3 equal to 4 and then 12 division 4 equal to 3. Then 3 multiply 9 equal to 27. That means 27 division 3 equal to 9. 27 division 9 equal to 3. And again 4 multiply 6 equal to 24. That means 24 division 4 equal to 6. 24 division 6 equal to 4. Then 5 multiply 7 equal to 35. That means 35 division 7 equal to 5. Then 35 division 5 equal to 7. That is then 6 multiply 3 equal to 18. That means 18 division 6 equal to 3. and then 18 division 3 equal to 6, and then 8 multiply 5 equal to 40. That means 40 division 8 equal to 5 and 40 division 5 equal to 8. These are the multiplication fact, and we will write 2 division facts. Then we will read division using multiplication table. Look here, divide using multiplication table. 16 division 2 equal to 8. You know already. 27 division 9 equal to 3. That means 9 3 ja 27. 48 division 6 equal to 8. That means 6 8 ja 48. And then 36 division 4 equal to 9. That means 9 4 ja 36. And then 54 division 9 equal to 6. That means 9 6 ja 54. And rest division you will do. And then we will do word problems. Number 1. 18 pens are equally packed into 3 packets. How many pens are there in each packets? That means total number of pens 18. And 18 pens equally packed in 3 packets. Then each packets how many pens will contain? That means 18 division 3 equal to 6. And then number 2. 45 toffees are equally divided among 9 girls. How many toffees does each girl get? That means 45 toffees equally divided among 9 girls. That means 45 division 9 equal to 5 toffees. That means 5 toffees will distribute among 9 girls. And then 7 days make a week. How many weeks are there in 42 days? That means we know already. In 1 week, how many days? 7 days. Then how many weeks are there in 42 days? That means 42 division 7 equal to 6 weeks. And then number 4. 4 persons can sit in a car. How many cars will be needed for 32 persons? That means 4 persons sit in a car. Then 32 persons will sit in how many cars? That means 32 division 4 equal to 8 cars. And then number 5. 6 balls cost 54 rupees. And how much does 1 ball cost? If each ball has the same cost. That means 6 ball cost, total 6 balls cost how many rupees? 54 rupees. So 1 ball cost how much rupees? So 54 division 6 equal to 9 rupees. So each ball cost 9 rupees. There are 40 bananas in 5 bunches. Each bunch contains the same number of bananas. How many bananas are there in each bunch? That means total number of bananas equal to 40. So each bunch contains the same bananas. That means 40 bananas contains in 5 bunches. So each bunch contains how much bananas? 40 division 5 equal to 8 bananas. Okay students, thank you.